there, Coach Mel here, coming to you from Coach Mel's Crochet Corner. So today, what I have for you is the reveal of my September crochet kit, and it is a big reveal. So it is 2.5 pounds of yarn coming your way. So obviously I know what's in here, but I want to open this and show you exactly what's here. So a little bit about this, I had actually made this project a while back, and then I tweaked it a little bit, and I'll talk about the changes that I made from the original one that I made and what you're getting here today. All right, so let's open this up. I did not seal it because I didn't want to waste a mailer, but when you get this in the mail, this is what you're going to be opening. So it is a wonderful Lion brand bag to hold all of your yarn, first off, so much fun. And now let's dive in and see what we have here. So fall is upon us, of course, and what better way than to bring in some fall colors. So the yarn that we're using this month is Lion brand, and it is the Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling. Now I have a little story to go along, and I'll get to that when I get to one of the other colors that's in here. So we're going to start with our olive. We have our pomegranate. We have steel blue. That looks almost black on the screen, but it is a deep blue. Oh, love this one. We have our mustard. And, of course, pumpkin, which I'll talk a little bit of something about what I'm going to do with this too. All right, so there's our colors. Definitely some fall colors that we have for you there. So 5 skeins, 1 skein of each color. All right, there's still more in the bag, so let me get to that. So into the bag, this is the one that has a story behind it. It is a Pound of Love, so it's also Lion brand. It's Pound of Love, and this is the black yarn. Okay, so this was supposed to be 3 skeins of this same one, the Anti-Pill. I do order from Lion brand directly, and they were out of the black. They did not have the black for me to get for the kits, so I asked them what would be a good replacement, and they suggested the Pound of Love. The good thing about that is that this actually gives you more than you would have gotten in the 3 skeins. And I did have a little bit of leftovers of the other yarn, so you may be able to make your project a little bit bigger. Now for the project. So I'll show you the picture first, but then I have my made one right here. So you are making, I call it the brickwork throw. Now the interesting thing about this, I have it folded over right here, and I'll show you in a moment, is that it is the same on both sides. The first time I made this, it was only one-sided, and then as I was finishing it up, and I said, wait a minute, one side doesn't have the lines in between, and what I did is I redid the pattern. So like always, you will receive your instructions, you receive a QR code that gets you to a YouTube video that will show you step by step. There's not a lot of various stitches in this, but there's a couple of things that you may not have done before. And as always, you have your checklist on the back so that as you can complete a row, you check that off. The actual is here. Now I'm going to try to stand up to show you the size of this. I actually didn't measure it, now come to think of it. So it is a lap throw. It's a good size, probably, I want to say it's about 36 to 40 inches wide and about the same. Look at those colors. Look at how cool that is. And again, you could turn it around and it looks exactly the same. So it is completely reversible. I would call this a beginner. It could, beginner to advanced beginner. You are using single crochets, you're using double crochets, and then we have a special stitch here. Let me put it so you can show it on the yellow. We have a special stitch here, which is a long front post double crochet because it drops down several rows there to make that. So that is September's project. Now, I only have 6 of these kits available, and you have to grab them today before they go up in price. So this is part of the subscription club. If you subscribe, you will get this this project, and then you get a project each month. It is $28.97 plus shipping. If you're in Connecticut, you do have to pay Connecticut sales tax. If you're in Connecticut and you're in the Harrington area, you can choose to have this picked up instead of delivered, so you wouldn't have to pay the delivery charge. So again, though, this has to be purchased today. Today is September 16th, I believe. Isn't that terrible? I don't even know. I believe it's September. It is. It's September 16th. You will get these 5 skeins of colored yarn. You will get 1 pound of black yarn, your pattern that has linked to a video, it has your row counter, and you will get this Lion brand bag. Now, if I have any left after today, again, I only have 6. If I have any left after today, they will go up on my website. However, you will not get the Lion brand bag, and they will also go up to retail, which is going to be $39.97 for this kit. So you're getting a great deal by getting it as part of the club. And there will also be a little something, I don't want to show you what it is, but a little something in the bag that's a teaser for what October's project is going to be. That is in the works and getting ready to ship out the beginning of October. So I hope you like this project. This is super soft. It's so cuddly. This is perfect to throw on your lap when you're sitting there at those soccer games or football games or whatever you're doing, or just hanging around the house. It's really, really comfy, really soft. I loved working with this yarn. Absolutely love this yarn. I'm going to take my leftover yarns now, and I'm going to make a pumpkin similar to this, where I'm going to take the different colors. I do have a video tutorial up on how to make this pumpkin, but that's what I'm going to do with some of my leftover yarn. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this reveal of the September monthly Crochet Club reveal, and I'll see you again real soon. Happy crocheting, everyone.